ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಶಶಿಕಲಾ ದೀಪಕ್ ರೇಷ್ಮೆ ಅಂತ. ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ಸಂಪದ ರೇಷ್ಮೆ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ओके भाई, मेरा बेटा आदि दर ग्रेड 10 में आने वाला है और मैं अभी आबू धाबी में यूएई में हूँ.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಪರಿಮಳ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅಂತ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ. ನನ್ನ ಮಗನ ಹೆಸರು ಅಮೋಘ್ ವಿವಾನ್ ಸಾಗರ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ. ಸೆಂಟ್ ಮೇರಿಸ್ ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ನಾವು ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅವ್ನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಗ ಅವ್ನು 9th ಇರೋದು. ಇನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ PUC ಮತ್ತು ಮುಂದೆ ಏನು ಓದಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನಲ್ಲಿದ್ವಿ.
So hello everybody, my name is Shreya Lokur. I have completed my bachelor's in mechanical engineering from KLE College of Engineering and Technology, Belgaum.
Hi, this is Abhay Mane and I've recently completed my career counseling with Srinivas sir at Smart Career Goals.
Hello, my name is Meghna Kulkarni and I have completed bachelor's in electrical and electronics.
पूरा फैमिली, मेरा वाइफ भी इधर बैठे हुए हैं, हम लोग सेटिस्फाई. एटलीस्ट मेरा ब्रेन ज्यादा ओपन हुआ कैरियर के लिए, वरना हमारे पास सिर्फ 2 कैरियर ऑप्शन होते हैं, मेडिकल या इंजीनियरिंग. इसमें हमें कहाँ जाना है वो हमको पता नहीं रहता कि क्या करना है. राइट ना. लेकिन आपसे बात करने के बाद में काफी कुछ क्लियर हो कि इंजीनियरिंग में भी कहाँ पे स्कोप ज्यादा है एज पर योर एनालिटिकल इंफॉर्मेशन. राइट. तो उसके थ्रू हमें पता चला कि हमें अभी इंजीनियरिंग में भी कहाँ पे हम लोग को जा सकते हैं. तो ये हमें इससे आपसे बात करके काफी बेनिफिट मिला.
So I'd like to take a minute to explain you the importance of career counseling in a student's life. What happens is most of the students really do not know what to do after their 10th. So they end up choosing the wrong career paths due to peer pressure or maybe due to the wrong inputs of their parents, and they get into colleges. There they may lose their enthusiasm or they may not be confident towards studying those particular courses. And even though they may complete the course, they may also get the jobs in that particular fields. They may not be satisfied doing that work, so they are stuck there. So hence, to avoid this, career counseling is a must in students' life at school, at the age of school when they are in 9th or 10th.
I hope you have liked the session, right?
Yes, sir. It made me very clear that at least the goal I am even thinking of is a good choice for me.
Yeah, you got a career road map now. Okay.
ಮುಂದೆ ಏನು ಓದಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನಲ್ಲಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಸರ್ದು ಗೂಗಲಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೆರಿಯರ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲರ್ ಹುಡುಕಿದಾಗ ಇವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಯಿತು ನಾವು ಮುಂದೆ ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ ಏನು ತೊಗೊಬೇಕು, ಏನು ಓದಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, ಅವ್ನು ಯಾವ ಫೀಲ್ಡಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ತುಂಬ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಏರೋನಾಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾ ಅಥವಾ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಳೋದಾ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗೋದಾ. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಅವ್ನು ಯಾವ ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಮೇಲೆ ತುಂಬ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಯಿತು.
So initially I was very confused of what to do, from where to begin, especially because engineering, my field, was not really what I was interested into. And I came across your counseling session on Google itself. And I thought, okay, let's give it a try. I wasn't sure about it. I had no one to tell me, okay, try for some career counseling or anything. But I was like, okay, let's see how it works. And the first day when I talked with you, I felt, okay, this might actually help me in some way or the other. And immediately after that, I sat for the psychometric test, which had a variety, a different range of all, all kind of fields which bring the inside thoughts, which you also don't know that, you're interested into something, but that makes you understand, okay, this is how I would react, or this is what I like. Right. So it felt like you knew things about me more than I knew. Like there were things which I knew, okay, I'm good with these things, but you explained it to me in a more elaborate way. And after that, with all my things, mind with, okay, what to do, there's so many options and no one really to guide me, because my parents also aren't that, they were like, see, they are fine with anything I do. They are totally fine with anything I do, but I needed someone to even tell me, to at least narrow down the things, which you helped me out. Like among all the options, I kind of have a small compact thing from where I should now, you did your work and now this is my thing from where I should take it up and see what I can do more into it.
I've passed out in the year 2019. And after I completed my engineering, I was in a plan to pursue my master's, that too in a technical field, so in the mechanical subject basically. And I had also applied for a couple of universities and received admissions from countries like Sweden and the USA. But then it so happened that due to the pandemic, I had to cancel my plan of pursuing my master's abroad. So after this, then I had no clue of what am I going to do in my career, because nobody actually knew of what are we going to face because of this pandemic. So where is the world going to head to and all that. So since it was all unclear, I also was in a dilemma as to what am I supposed to do, which field am I supposed to now work towards, or where am I supposed to take up a job, or what to do. So that was the time when my father introduced me to Srinivas sir, and I got to know that they conduct this psychometric test. So I said, why not try this? So the psychometric test really is a nice test because it covers it has questions that assesses your personality from all the dimensions. So after the test, we also had a counseling session with sir, and the session was very interactive. Sir gave us a very detailed result of my personality, and astonishingly, the result was that my personality suits more for management field than the technical field. So what I was initially going to do pursuing my master's was a research kind of thing. So it was all technical background. But then the result of this test was that I best suit for management kind of fields. So in my case, it so happened that I took this test a little late, like almost after my graduation, and when I was partly working also. And now I know where I actually fit in and what is good for me as to choose the career path. So according to me, I think students have to get this test done at an early age comparatively, maybe when they are in 10th or 12th, because that's the age when people have 2-3 fields in their mind, that I want to be a doctor, an engineer, something of that sort. So if they want to get a clear idea, it's better to get this kind of tests done at that particular age, because before you start your career, you know where you suit best. So if they get this test done, then it would be good for their own career, because they will be doing the thing where they fit into properly. And I think Srinivas sir is the best person to guide you on this. So I recommend all of you to kindly take his guidance before you choose your career path. Thank you so much.
And I have taken up badminton as my professional game since I was a kid. Participated in several state tournaments, national tournaments, and won several states, represented Karnataka for different national tournaments as well. And after my 10th, 11th and 12th, I pursued in PCMB as my combination, and I've done it in RLS College, Belgaum. Along with my science background, I still continue to play my sports. I won SJFI Nationals over there, and in 12th, I was being awarded as the best outgoing sports person as well. So yeah, my sports and my education was really good up until PUC. And then the hurdle started after my 12th when I had to choose engineering. I got into BVB College of Engineering, Hubli in electrical and electronics. I got the college and the branch was because of my sports quota and my achievements that I have achieved so far in sports. And I was not being exposed to different fields in engineering, or is there any other field for me which I was interested in. I just had one option, that I had to go for engineering as I come from a technical background at home. And after going to engineering, I realized that that field is not for me. And I was not really good in technical aspects. I was not good in logical understanding. And, electrical comes with whole concepts of logical thinking. And I was not good at it. But I had to pursue it nonetheless. And I had several backlogs. And it was a tough situation for me back then. And I met Srinivas sir a few days back, and I spoke to him. I told him my problems, and he was really generous. He spoke to me very politely, and he told me that I need to take up the psychometric test. The psychometric test, it tests your ability, your personality, your logical thinking, your verbal thinking, and how good you are at your communication skill, your logical thinking, your analysis. And it's a very good test. It's nothing related to your academics or your scorings that you have achieved so far. It tells you about who you are in real. And I recommend whosoever is watching this video, please go ahead and take this test, because it is going to help you to understand who you are and where you are going to pursue your future. It's better to understand oneself rather than jumping into something our parents tell us, or we are influenced by our cousins, etc. And sir is always there here. He's going to guide you in the ways you cannot even imagine. I took my first counseling session, and I remember he pinpointed me saying, you're good at this. These are your strengths. These are your weaknesses. These are your top choices. You are supposed to get in there. And it was like, I felt I wasted so many years of my life doing something I was not good at. And one counseling session, and you will know that along with the psychometric test, discussing with sir, this was totally worth it. And I highly recommend everybody, whoever is watching this video, please go out, talk to sir. He is going to help you. And it's okay at whatever stage you're in life right now, whether you've completed your 10th or your 12th, or you've finished your bachelor's or your master's, or you're working and you're still not happy about it and you want to change the direction in your life in some career path, you're always welcome. But it's better to know yourself than diving into something you're not happy for the rest of your life. For me, as per my psychometric test and after taking a session from sir, he told me that I do not belong in the technical background. As per the analysis and test and sir's observation, he told me that I belong in a more of a non-technical, more of whether it's digitalization, whether it's more digital marketing, whether it's more of communication as a YouTuber or something like that, more of psychology, sociology. These are the fields where I'm good at. And there are various different options that he pinpointed at me as well. So I would recommend everybody go out, give it a try. It's going to be totally worth it. I do not want anybody else to go in the same situation like me, wasting years and then realizing that you should have done it. So go out there, give it a try. It's going to be totally worth it. Thank you, sir, for guiding me.
My mother brought me here for the counseling, and I got to know what to do in my vacations and my further plans. I also got to know that what I have to take further, and I've got a nice plan to my future. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, sir.
Okay. तो मुझे अभी श्रीनिवास से बात करते हुए मुझे पता चला कि काउंसलिंग किस तरह से की जाती है और किस तरह से आपको कैरियर के बारे में सोचा जाता है. हम लोग फुल्ली सेटिस्फाई हैं हम दोनों. अभी मैं फर्स्ट टाइम जो हमने काउंसलिंग किया, मैं लाइफ में कभी नहीं किया काउंसलिंग. इवन मैं जानता भी नहीं ज़्यादा काउंसलिंग के बारे में.
ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು ಇದೆಷ್ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದ, ಇದು ಮಾಡಿಸೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದ ಫ್ಯೂಚರಿಗೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಅವಳಿಂದ ಏನು ಒಂದು ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಏನು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಫಸ್ಟು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ನಮಗೆ ಗುರ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಯಿತು ಯಾವುದು ಏನು ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಯಾವ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಸೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಸೈಡ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅವಳು ಈಗಿಂದನೇ ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು.
So when I took the psychometric test, I understood what I'm weak in and what I'm strong in, like my strengths. And sir taught me like how to funnel down things. I was confused about how to start the researching. They had the website is really good, in which you'll get all the colleges and their information, and it's really easy to research now, as I know something and I have something to begin from.
Hello, I am Disha Reshmi. I am a second year at National Law University, Jodhpur, and I'm Sampada's sister, and I just came along with her to provide my encouragement and support, because when we are in schooling, we don't really understand how the world is out there, what choices we are supposed to make, what is the entrance exam, what are the entrance exams like, what should be the preparation. Since I have prepared for CLAT myself, I have a fair idea of how the entrance exams and universities and all of that function. So I feel like having someone to support like that is a major pro for anyone who is trying to find out what is a good career for them. We came here for career counseling because frankly she was very confused. We had a few options, arts, something involving a career within arts in front of us, but we really didn't know how we could apply her skill set to the actual world out there. So that is one thing that we wanted to discover. And of course our mother is very supporting, and it all turned out to be the best with Srinivas sir, who gave us a very good idea of all the options that we had out there. And the website is quite good in the sense that it combines the skill sets that we already have. It tells us firstly that what are our skill sets, what are we good at, what are we bad at, what is our personality like, all of these things, and it finally combines and culminates into career options, career paths. It even goes as far as showing what we could do our mastery in, what could be our final professions in, all of that. So overall we found it very beneficial. Some things that I really liked about this psychometry test is someone who's already taken this test before, because now it is in an online format, you have an easy access to all of the careers that could be out there for you. Another thing is, we are, as humans, we have a very wide skill set. So we were either looking for one career or the other. Like, she was good at arts and she was good at science as well, so we were looking at this or that. However, this showed us that there can be a combination of the two. Like, for example, like architect turned out to be one of the top choices for her, which is a combination of the arts and the science skills that she has. And sir also told us how she learns well with kinesthetic techniques of learning. So that could be very beneficial for her, and I guess that this really narrowed down a good career path, and for her future opportunities will be enhanced this way.
ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದಾದರೆ, ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಏನು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅದ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಲೈಕ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಇನ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಜಾಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದೇ ಅವ್ರು ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಅವರು ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಅವರು ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಈಸಿ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಈವನ್ ಇದೇ ಊರೇ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಇದೇ ಸ್ಟೇಟೇ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಆ ಥರ ಇದು ನೋಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕಳಿಸಿದರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ.
And one way of finding it is, of course, taking the psychometry test and taking counseling from good guidance such as Srinivas sir, of course. And I believe that it really helps her, and we will definitely consider the options that sir has provided us and think about our options ahead.
Thank you.
Best sir. ಭಾಳ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್ ನಾವು ಭೇಟಿಯಾಗಿ.
Thank you.
हॅलो एव्हरीवन, माझं नाव रसिका आहे आणि मी बेळगावीहून आहे. मी माझं एज्युकेशन BSc फिजिक्समध्ये कंप्लीट केलं आहे पुणे युनिव्हर्सिटीहून. ग्रॅज्युएशननंतर मी विचार केला की मी बँकिंग करावं म्हणून. बँकिंग खूप वर्षापर्यंत ट्राय केलं, पण जास्त दिवस फोकस नाही करू शकले कारण माझं मॅथ्स वीक होतं. मी कम्प्लिटली लॉस्ट होते, म्हणजे काय करावं काय नाही करावं काही डिसाईड करू नव्हते पाहत. ना रिअली फील सॅटिस्फाईड, आणि असं वाटतं करून घेतलं खूप बरं झालं. कारण की जे सायकोमेट्री टेस्ट मी घेतलं ते 8 डिव्हिजन्समध्ये डिवायडेड होतं. ज्याचा आपल्याला रिझल्ट भेटतो आणि आपल्याला कळतं की आपण किती लेवलपर्यंत आहोत आणि आपण काय करू शकतो. सो आणि सरांनी ते रिपोर्टही खूप चांगल्या पद्धतीने एक्सप्लेनही केलं आहे, आणि त्याचा रूट मॅप पण त्यांनी खूप सुंदर तऱ्हे दिलेला आहे. आणि मी पालकांना पण हे सांगू इच्छिते की मुलांचं करिअर काउन्सिलिंग जेवढं लवकर करून घेता येईल तेवढं लवकर करून घेतलं तर खूप बरं होईल. माझ्या वेळी करिअर काउन्सिलिंग हे प्लॅटफॉर्म होतं, पण कदाचित ही गोष्ट मला माहीत नव्हती. ही जर मला माहीत असली असती तर मी खूप आधीच खूप काही घडू शकले असते, माझ्यात बदल घडू शकले असते. पण ते आता सध्या मला जे करिअर काउन्सिलिंग सरांनी दिलं त्यामुळे मी स्वतःला खूप लकी फील करते की मला ते भेटलं, आणि मी आता माझ्यामध्ये खूप काही चेंजेस करून काहीतरी चांगल्या प्लॅटफॉर्मला जाऊ शकते. तर मी तुम्हाला एवढंच सांगेन. आणि आता मला माहिती आहे की माझ्या करिअरमध्ये मला काय करायचं आहे, माझ्या फ्युचरसाठी मला काय चांगलं आहे. त्याच्यासाठी मी सरांना खूप खूप धन्यवाद करते. थँक्यू.
So that clarity, Stuti, would help you the way you used to talk me, right? So when everybody asked me, you are in a 10th standard. Yes, you are in a 10th standard. Everybody would ask you about it. But now you are clear on what you have to achieve. What is that you are looking forward, right? So now, as Srinivas sir talked about it, now there is something that you have to work on your skills, and in addition, that whatever the options, how you can navigate through that is something that we can work through.
Yes. Please update me, okay, in future.
Oh, definitely.
Definitely, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, you will be another teacher that I will remember, because you've made my mind calm and clear, saying that my goal might be right for me.
Yeah,
My thinking process to me would be right, because sir, the amount of confusion I used to have at home, like there used to be like some days when both of them used to sit and they used to say, like, talk to yourself, introspect yourself, like all of that. And
yeah, you should thank
I've tried,
Vinayak,
but then Vinayak, I need to go down and thank him.
No, very rarely students understand, parents also, that career counseling is that important. because career means life, right? They end up choosing career based on siblings, some parental pressure and all. It's very bad.
And this actually shows us in terms of the numbers, right? So the psychometric itself will give us a lot of clarity around what are the strengths and weaknesses of a child, right? So it makes a lot of difference.
And sir, my parents are open with any career I choose.
You're lucky. You're very lucky.
Yeah.